Hi everyone, happy Diwali to every our YouTube subscriber and our well viewers. So wishing you and your family members a lot of happiness, prosperity and a sparkling Diwali. In this video, I am going to unboxing a silver play button. I don't have any team. I am only one person to uploading these videos. I am only preparing the content and I am only editing the videos. Okay, I am the only one person to upload this video, but I have a lot of support from you people, so who have been following from last 4 years onwards. So really thankful to all those people and who are watching our videos, okay, and who are following continuously our videos. So this is one of the great achievement in my life. With all your encouragement and supporting, we have crossed 1 lakh subscribers. Like this, I am expecting more support and encouragement from your end future as well. Okay, without wasting our time, let me open our silver play button. So here is our silver play button. So I have received this silver play button from YouTube organization. Okay, so let me open it. So here is our silver play button. And along with silver play button, I have received one certification as well. Here written over the silver play button like presented to learn programming by Lucky Sir and for passing 1 lakh subscribers. Okay, and YouTube logo. Okay, so here is our silver play button. Okay, so I'm wishing you all celebrate this Diwali with carefully. Okay, and enjoy everyone. So thank you very much.